Hey guys, I'm Gia and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to paint on my phone cover. I think it is very interesting because I have never done this before. It is my first time I'm doing such a thing. I think I can do it. And if you're new in this channel, so please subscribe to my channel, like to my video and share to your friends and relatives. So let's begin the video. So for the first, here I am taking my old black transparent phone case.
And I'm deciding very interesting on this.
So for the first, I am painting with this white color as a base because I don't have gesso coating. So that's why I'm using this one. After completely painting on this, let it dry for some time. Now I'm going through with drawing some clay particles on the phone.
So I'm taking a portion of clay and make it round and taking a pencil and put a hole on the middle.
So here I'm deciding donut shapes. I think it's will look cool and cute making some donuts on the phone. So here I'm taking around 4 to 5 donuts which can cover my phone randomly. Yeah, 5. It's total 5 are there. Now with the help of glue I'm attach this with the phone case. See, it is done. I'm attach all the this and dry for the 4 to 5 hours.
Now I also paint this with white colors because it will give me ways for painting acrylic colors.
So this is done. Now my final painting this phone case. Here I am using my blue color.
And someone think why not using pink color on this? Because I think all the things are my pink color.
Don't worry, the last phone case is a pink also. So I told that I'm making donut, so some skin colors needed for the donut. So here I'm painting the donut color skin brown little bit. It's done.
Now I'm using pink, blue, brown, yellow and green as a flavor. It's looking like flavor. It has some flavor coated donut. And adding some sprinkles randomly.
To look like full donut theme. Pink, yellow, purple sprinkles are there. And I've decided to add some more details on a donut. And I'm doing white color boundary around the flavor. After last thing is left to add a coat of varnish.
Because it will give a life to this phone case.
And done, it's pretty cool and shining. Now I'm going through my next phone case and see how bad it is looking.
Seriously, it's looking very bad. I cannot show on my phone also.
Now I'm also doing some clay art on this, and here I'm deciding to make a cute pineapple.
Cute small pineapple on this. So I'm using
Clay and stick this with the glue. After this all done, I'm decided to move like a pineapple. Here I'm taking a stick and adding some lines on it.
randomly note it's parallel to each other lines, cross and cross lines are there.
And some more lines on the leaves also. And done. Now dry for around 4 to 5 hours.
My first part is to paint with a
White color as a base because I cannot paint directly on this because the color will not shine at more. The first portion is to paint with a white color. Now
I'm using my pink color, which is my favorite.
and yellow, of course, pineapple is yellow only, so yellow is the base for the pineapple color. And some light green I'm using as a leaf. Now I'm deciding to add more details on it.
So here I'm taking brown color to darken the lines of the pineapple and dark green to darken the lines of the leaf.
And it's done. Now I will add some cute face on the pineapple. I'm adding eyes and little cute small mouth.
And see how cute it's looking.
And the last part, to put a coat of varnish on the phone. And I love these two both cute and cool phone cover ideas. And if you also love this, so please try at your home, like to my video and subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Bye bye, keep shining.